Hello everyone, please subscribe since I would like to reach the second tier of YouTube monetization ASAP. We're not so far from that. Most of my viewers are not subscribers. Please subscribe. If there is anything I need to do in order to get you to subscribe, please tell me in the comments down below. I believe I try to improve as much as I can. That's what a content creator does for his viewers, at least for what I think. I want to install a sklauncher on macOS, but it keeps loading like this. I don't know what's wrong. Let's try the beta version. Downloads. Scroll down. Yes, it's checking, and it probably requires Apple Silicon. If it is not the beta version, and I select Mac OS, on Mac itself it keeps loading like this, whereas on Linux it gives me the option to download .dmg, .app or .jar. .jar is the universal one. As long as you have Java, you can start the application using Java command. We may do it in a future video. I guess I will do a workaround here in order for you to get this working. I have wget here. If you don't install it using the command brew install wget, or using the command sudo port install wget. Here you type your password since you use it sudo. Yes, that's how you get wget, since it is the command that we will use here. Let's change directory into desktop. Here we copy. Let's click this one. Copy download link. Just type the command that I'm gonna show you after you download and install wget the way I showed you. Paste, and the command should be like this: https://binaries/skmedics.pl/skl/3.2.18. Let's make it a little bigger, make it clearer like this. The file is not that big. Let's press enter. It should be like this. After waiting some time, it actually showed up in Firefox. In case you cannot do the workaround, or you don't want to do it, or it's probably not needed so far, we can simply click download DMG here, and it immediately finished. Let's click it, grab it into the applications folder. It opened for us, release it. I kept clicking the left mouse button, that's why it took us here, and it should install. That's what I like about macOS, which is the simplicity of installing apps. As simple as that. Here we click OK. Go system preferences, security and privacy, general here. Here we click open anyway. We need to unlock this in case I know what I'm doing here, or I'm doing it correctly. Yes, open anyway. Click it, open again, and here it is launching for us. Here you must have Microsoft account, or you can switch to offline mode. You type your username here. I'll call it like this: Mac user, login offline, installation manager, new installation, my Minecraft. Let's select any version here. Let's go for instance with 1.21.11, and then I selected vanilla 1. You can select Forge or any other one. You have Fabric and whatnot. Let's click save here and then click play. You can see that it didn't complain about Java version, since the version that I have matches with the requirements here. Sklauncher, after downloading the desired version of Minecraft, it immediately launched it for me. Let's click here continue, and then single player. Let's make this full screen. Easy. Let's keep the name the way it is. Create new world, just to prove to you that this works anyway. And we're in. I'm playing through VNC, by the way. That's why it's a little awkward, but it works. It works. If you enjoyed this video, you may enjoy seeing me setting up my Minecraft server, or if you want to see other platforms where I set up some Minecraft launchers, I will put in the description some videos for such thing. I also enjoyed exploring some network protocols for transferring files. You can see them in the suggested videos at the end of this video, which has come almost now. I'm signing out, and peace.